everybody live it up. Live it like you're never gonna give it up. Life is a party, so let's get what we came for. Everybody, everybody live it, cause the world is a dance floor tonight. One more again.
Okay, let's go in.
Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. This is Cherry from Edmonton, Canada. So for today's vlog, nandito tayo sa California Pizza Kitchen. Dito sa may Windermere area ng Edmonton, malapit sa Anthony Henday. So humirit, naglambing tong mga anak ko kasi katatapos lang ng kanilang finals at mga exams nila. So nagpapalibre daw sila for a treat after all the hardship. So, pinagbigyan ko naman, as usual. By the way, did you know that we have CPK in the Philippines long time ago? Like, I don't know if they still have open. In my 20s, I have tried already CPK in the Philippines, although a couple of times only. So, itong CPK pala nag-open dito sa Edmonton. Siguro mga 2 years ago, nung patapos na yung pandemic. So, nun siya nag-open. Na-try na rin namin to one time, nagpa-deliver kami sa bahay. Kaya lang, medyo malayo ng konti kasi like around 15 minutes away back yung bahay namin dito. So, medyo malamig-lamig na nung dumating sa bahay. So, matagal ko na talagang gustong matry mag-dine-in dito. Baka mas maganda yung quality, no? Kapag freshly served. Yeah, actually itong California Pizza Kitchen is a chain obviously from California. And meron na tayo sa Pilipinas nito nung matagal na. I was still in my 20s. So yun nga sinasabi ko sa mga anak ko kanina na meron na tayo sa Pinas nito. Although, na-try ko man to sa Pinas before, pero siguro mga in less than 10 times lang kapag lumalabas lang kami ng mga either mga kaibigan ko noon or yung mga office mate ko sa Ayala. Actually, yung CPK nasa Glorieta. So, pero hindi na ako aware kung nandun pa ngayon. Yeah, and their specialty is of course pizza. Then, meron din silang mga pasta and main course. So, ito yung menu nila. And then, ito yung kanilang mga pizza options. They have original pizza, classic pizzas, and globally inspired pizza. Okay, so we're here to try their pizza and pasta. So for the pizza, I will let my son order. Tapos yung pasta, yung dalaga ko. I don't know yet the size. If medyo small, we might get a second pizza. Okay, then ito yung kanilang mga pasta and main plates. They also have handhelds. Ayan oh, looks good. What's your pizza, my son? Siciliana? I like their interiors here. Ganda ng mga ilaw nila oh. So my son wants the Sicilian pizza. Tapos yung dalaga ko, ito daw siya yung tomato basil spaghetti. Tapos for the shareables, truffle, parmesan fries. So ito yung second option namin ng pizza. Ito yung gusto ko. Spicy honey bee pizza. Parang masarap. So kapag nag-order pala ng pizza, may steps. So merong 3 options ng crust. Original, cauliflower, and crispy. Tapos your choice of pizza flavor, and then your dip. So the dip options are this one: poblano ranch, ranchito, herb ranch, garlic aioli, marinara, lime cream, spicy marinara, and blue cheese. Okay, so ito na yung aming truffle fries with parmesan cheese. So sobrang amoy parmesan cheese. Okay, thank you. Okay, so ito na yung aming pizza. And this is your dip, spicy marinara. And this is my daughter's pasta. Kain na tayo. Malaki-laki naman pala yung pizza. Kasi iniisip namin kanina kung mukhang hindi kasya, order sana kami nung second pizza, which is yung spicy honeybee. So mukhang okay na to, kasya na sa amin. So kumain na natin. Ooh, parang masarap. Tsaka meaty naman siya. Look at that. Dip natin sa spicy marinara. pala manipis siya. Ewan ko lang kung kasha. Otherwise, mag-order ng additional. Do you like it? Masarap siya. Ay, nalaglag. Sayang yung ano. You're taking my beef. Meron din palang fuwa-fuwa dito. Kaya lang, mukhang kaya namang lakarin pero medyo tatawid pa ng kalsada. Malamig. Magdi-dessert sana kami doon. Kaya lang, nag-decide na kaming wag na. Nanghingi ako ng pasta ng dalaga ko. Kasi I wanted to try. It's a basil pasta. Tomato. It's tomato basil pasta. Tapos pwede kang mag-add ng protein. Although she chose not to add. I like it. Mahilig ako sa sa basil. Okay din siya. Although mas gusto ko pag may kasamang protein. Yan, medyo nabitin kami kaya nag-order kami ng second pizza, yung spicy honeybee. Ayan simot agad. Sarap kasi. Pati yung dip nilang marinara, sarap. So, although mukhang malaki yung pizza nila, pero the fact kasi na manipis, tsaka masarap. So, ginanahan pa kaming kumain. Kaya nag-order kami for second one.
What is this thing on the top?
That's arugula.
I don't know what that is.
Okay, so ito na, dumating na yung aming spicy honeybee. So yung spicy dito is yung sauce niya, yung drizzle siguro na honey, spicy honey. Tapos sabi ng anak ko, ano daw yan? It's arugula. So akin yan, yung gulay. Okay, dig in my son. So now tikman natin yung spicy honeybee. So ayaw nang binata ko yung gulay. So the gulay is mine. Tapos lagay natin yung gulay sa taas niya. So, there you go. Spicy honeybee. Yeah, manamis-namis siya. So, yung difference niya sa Siciliana is, yung Siciliana wala siyang tamis, pero meaty yung Siciliana. This one, manamis-namis and less meat.
And how's that pizza?
It's good.
It's good?
Good, yeah.
Do you prefer the Sicilian or that one?
I'm still deciding. I like the honey sweetness, but I like the meatiness of the Siciliana.
So, me, sometimes when I cannot decide between both,
Yeah.
I take the Sicilian, but I have the spicy honey on the top.
Oh, that's
Maybe
next
after
time.
that one, you're gonna have to order
Yeah.
another one.
I'll think about it. Thank you.
Help you eat.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, super friendly nung waiter namin. So yeah, masarap din siya, pero mas meaty talaga yung Siciliana. So as the lady suggested nga, next time we can order the Sicilian, tapos manghingi ng honey dip ni drizzle. We will get both flavors, diba? Look at the crust, oh. Super crunchy. So, the best talaga na ang CPK is magda-dine-in ka dito rather than delivery, especially kapag winter. Yung experience ko noon it was winter nung nagpa-deliver ako. And of course, iba na yung quality pagdating sa bahay. Super crunchy. Busog ka na? No. Okay. So, kaya pa. Plano namin ubusin yan eh. Try the arugula, my son. It's good. No? Yum. Yeah, seems like mauubos talaga namin tong pizza. Airy, hindi siya airy pero manipis. Tsaka masarap kasi. Kasi ako usually nasa 2 slices of pizza lang ako eh. Yeah, and I'm at my 40th slice now. So if you are to choose, my son, do you want famoso or CPK? CPK. Medyo similar sila when in terms of crust. Although yung flavor, syempre, yung magkakaiba. Parang mas maraming interesting flavor dito sa CPK. Ayan, last slice. Kanya po. Naka 5 slices na ako. So, kaming dalawa lang kumain ng 2 pizza. Siya naka 7. Kasi 12 slices. Lahat yan. 6 slices in 1 pizza. Sarap. Satisfied. Sulit ang pagod sa finals, no? Yeah. Tapos itong katabi kong babae, tahimik lang kasi ibig sabihin busog na busog yan. Ayan, so inuubos na lang namin tong pagkain namin and then mamaya try namin maglakad-lakad dito sa labas kung anong meron. By the way, it's our first time to go here sa Windermere. Ayan oh, super simod. Everything is simod. So deep, no crust left. Yan, nag-enjoy kami sa food talaga. Sabi ng binata ko, masarap daw yung food. That's why, like, we devoured everything. No anything. Walang naiwan ni crust. Super duper satisfied. Busog. Tamang busog lang. Not too bloated, pero satisfied kasi masarap yung food. Yeah, and I'm happy na napatry ko na sa mga anak ko tong CPK. Matagal ko na itong pinaplano din eh. Yeah, we don't actually eat out like this all the time kasi syempre mahal ang dine out dito sa Canada. Especially, lalo kapag yung hindi fast food na restaurant. And just the fast food itself, mahal na din. So, yung ganito, yung pagkain-kain na ganito, so we do it occasionally, especially kapag birthdays namin, ganyan. Kapag they want a reward and humirit sila, ganyan, pinagbibigyan ko. And then, sometimes on my me time, ganyan, lalabas ako para kumain. Once in a while. Parang mga ano lang to, nangyayari man yung ganito, mga twice a month. That's the most. Okay, we're done and out here. Yeah, I was filming sana palabas. Tapos merong dalawang couple na biglang kinausap ako. Tapos tinatanong kung where we're from. Ay, lamig. Namumura siya. Tapos tinatanong kasi they're figuring out daw kung where we're from. Kasi they're not sure if they were Filipino or not. So, sinabi ko from Philippines. Oh, sabi nila nakipagkwentuhan na kasi they've been in the Philippines daw, ganyan-ganyan. So, wala na. Nakipagchikahan. So, nagchikahan kami saglit. Shucks, nanginginig ako sa lamig. Okay, na-miscalculate ko yung weather. Kasi when I checked the weather a while ago, sabi, feels like -1. Pero hindi ko na-check yung wind chill. Ayan o, mahangin. Shucks, nanginginig ako. Tapos nag-denim pa ako. Malamig tuloy yung pa ako. Pasaway eh. Hindi ko kasi akalaing humahangin. Ang lamig. Okay, Starbucks lang muna kami saglit. Painit at ang ginaw. Hello. Okay, so magpatay lang kami ng oras dito sa Starbucks at magkape at magpainit. Kasi napakalamig pala sa labas. Plano ko pa man din sanang kahit maglakad-lakad ng konti dito para makita kung ano pang meron dito sa Windermere. Actually, it's quite interesting here. Kasi dito, nakita ko sa mapa, meron ditong Walmart, may Canadian Tire, may Cabela, yung mga bilihan ng mga gamit na pang outdoors. And then, marami rin kainan dito. Nandito rin yung PF Chang, yung Fua Fua. Meron din Korean restaurant dito, yung KB & Co yata. And many more. Ang dami rin eh. Then may cinema din actually. Maganda rin kung nakabili ka ng bahay mo dito within the area. So marami kang pwedeng mapasyalan dito na malapit. Where's mine? Mine is mocha. Sarap ng mainit. My daughter's is matcha. Ano yung kay Ethan? Same as mine? Yours is mocha? Oh. Marami pang store. So may Five Guys din pala dito. Yung katabi nga ng Wendy's. And then sa side na to, meron akong nakitang Dollarama also. And then yung Fua Fua. Kapag ganun pa yata. Next street pa yun eh. Mas malayo dito. Pero walking distance. Malamig lang ngayon. Tsaka pasaway kasi ako. Naka-walking shoes lang ako, naka-denim. Tapos ayan single layer lang, naka-t-shirt lang ako sa loob. So I'm not ready for the cold. Akala ko kasi talaga feels like -1 lang. So we're already planning pag mas maganda na yung weather, maybe sa spring or summer, we're gonna come back here at Windermere tapos explore namin yung area. Mukhang maraming makikita eh. Yan lang pala yung PF Changso. Tapos, ano yan, barbershop. Tapos, Cora breakfast. And then, Wendy's. Yeah, tapos dun kami galing. So, there's CBK. Tapos sa banda ron lang, merong Safeway. Tapos sa tabi lang pala ng Wendy's, so merong Five Guys. So, we're just killing na lang yung time here. And then, maybe in 20 minutes, we're gonna go home na rin. Yeah, we're not planning to go anywhere anymore. So, today is Friday. Time to rest. And may mga plano akong gawing pagliligpit sa bahay. So, I might start today and this weekend. So, I'm going to end now the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you liked the video that I shared today. Please don't forget to leave your comments and hit that like button. I'm gonna see you again in the next one. Bye!